ready?
I know.
You lose that hat, you know that?
What? It was gonna be
Put it on backwards. Yeah, dude. Yeah, you're ready.
No, I'm not.
How you doing, Lola? You ready? Ready to rock?
Yeah, ready to roll.
All right.
Ready to roll.
Yeah?
Get it?
I get it.
Yeah, the idea is not to roll.
Yeah.
We don't want to.
In the backpack? Oh, yeah. Silver Lake, here we come.
For us, so we'll head right out, and he's got it blocked for us, so we're going to start rolling now. Since he's got it blocked, no need to look, we'll just continue to roll right on out.
The handle's very strange. Very tall, very
Tiny?
very like skinny and short.
Yeah.
It's like a it's like a Mario Kart or something.
Ready for it?
Oh yeah, already having fun. I do quints.
Again, I'd like to welcome you guys out to Parrot Landing and introduce myself to you once again. My name's Larry. It's a great day to be out here and a beautiful day out on the sand dunes. Not real busy either, so we get to do quite a bit of stuff out there today. So I'll give you a little history of the area while we're waiting in line here. Sand dunes look the way they do today because of Chicago and the Chicago fire. It wasn't the fire itself that impacted us, but when they went to rebuild, they needed lots of lumber, and the logging industry is what really changed this area. It always meant to have the forest regrow, but what happened is before that could happen, all those winds off of Lake Michigan so strong that blew the topsoil away and exposed the sand underneath. As we start moving, let's go ahead, pull back on the four-wheel drive lever, hit the traction control button, turning that off, putting the light on the dash between the two gauges. It doesn't normally take that long to get through there, so I apologize for that. We'll start heading up here in the sand dunes now. And like I said, the logging had a big impact on us here. Before that happened, this is basically what the area looked like, with the grass and the trees growing. Back then, trees much bigger than what we see today. It's old growth timber, trees that had never been cut, so much larger. But this gives you a good example of what the area looked like. We're going to be driving on all the way up and down the coast of Michigan. Looks very similar to this. Same thing happened all the way up and down the lake shore.
Just to clarify, this is number 3. Are we supposed to be in 4 low, 4 high, or 2?
4 high, so right in the center of that four-wheel drive lever.
Hold on, ladies.
And I can change to that without going into neutral, correct?
This is the roughest part.
If you're going from 2 to 4 high, yes.
Trump.
Traction control on or off?
We want it off.
The light's not working. I can't really tell really well. Thank you.
If you got the large icon between the gauges, that's what we're looking for. We'd like to have the small one that says off. If the large one's on, it means the system's disabled.
Just tell me what?
If you can't get up it, you suck.
Really?
I've watched trucks in that.
So you guys are seeing the biggest and steepest hill out here, the one that we call Test, and my normal spot has been taken. Got lots of people right there. It is starting to get a little busy out here, but we'll find another spot here in just a second where we can start climbing. Also seeing the lake for the very first time, Lake Michigan right in front of us.
It's like Michigan, guys.
And what a beautiful view of the lake we have right here. It's a nice dark color. Some days it looks a little gray because of the cold water we have and warm wind coming across it. I want you guys to come up next to my passenger side. Just come up right next to me. And one time when we break my #1 rule, which was to stay in my tire tracks, but for now, I'm gonna have you guys lined up next to me. Passenger side. Stay close so we're not spread out too far. Got those bumps there in the face, guys. Got bumps right there, be careful. Stop right there. Stop, stop, stop. We're not gonna go over. Gotta be careful of those bumps down the bottom too. Alright, Jeep number 2 whenever you're ready here. So now we start backing down nice and slow, and just be careful of the guys around you. Soft sand's going to want to slide around a little bit, so just be cautious of those around you and start making your way back. Nice and slow, nice and slow. We want lots of speed going up hills, but slow down the hills. You guys can stop right there. We don't need to go all the way to the top of the hill. I'm actually going to start heading toward Lake Michigan, so I'm going to be right behind you guys here and have you guys get back in the same order we were to start with. And in the flat area, it's going to stay pretty close together, about 1 Jeep length, and then when we start climbing hills, we're going to spread out a little bit.
I think the people that run this put them there on purpose. Don't know. Isn't that way where the beach was though?
That's what I think.
We're headed north.
Why does it have a spike? Hold on.
Nah. We don't need to go fast. Fast just gets you in trouble. I'm not going fast. I don't want to go fast.
He's not.
I have no interest in going fast. It just hurts you girls. There's no reason to. I am gonna have to go fast up this hill. Hold on, guys, because we're gonna have to go fast to get up this hill. There's the beach.
How pretty is that water?
Alright, you guys, if you see a pickup truck that's completely orange, you let me know. There's a guy that I work with in the other area. Let's see if we can't find some place where we can get to the beach. It's excited up here, huh? Sand. Just black sand. We buckled up?
That's where the water is.
See that map a minute.
We're gonna have to go fast up this hill, right?
above this ladders. There's some stuff that we can't get into. Those things will get stuck in there. Those are for the big trucks. For the super duty fancy trucks. Stuck. Hopefully nobody got hurt. I think it's one of the Jeeps from the... It's one of these Jeeps that got stuck. Yeah, there was. Alright. Just gotta let this car get by us. There's a lot of traffic. There's a lot of other cars. I can't run into anybody, okay?